In this village, there lives a man whose hands speak louder than words. They call him Agbábíàkàá. He is known not only for his strength, but for shaping both metal and character.
From sunrise to sunset, he shapes metal and teaches the ways of courage, patience, and honor.
Even the strongest steel must rest in the fire. So too must a young heart learn before it strikes.
My son, life is not easy. You must be brave, even when the path is hard. Always be honest in all you do, my son. Work diligently.
A blacksmith's craft is measured not only by the strength of his arm.
Now, my son, strike together. Feel the rhythm. Let your hands follow your heart, and your strength will grow.
My son, life is not soft like clay. It will test your heart, your mind, and your spirit.
Yes, just like that. Steady now and strike true.
Thus is the legacy of Agbábíàkàá, not merely a master of iron,
but a forger of men. For the greatest strength is the strength of character.